conference president pen to conference church to tuam te direct pastor he.
So, is that understood? You understand what I'm saying?
Akitel hialeti.
So, if your membership is here in Tulsa, we just transfer it over.
Tulsa membership na hi kitule baita kina transfer jiao.
And if your membership is still in Burma, we just transfer it from there to here.
Kung ama na membership unai kung ampan ina transfer face jiao tong.
If there's some difficulty in getting your membership from Burma, we will accept you on profession of faith.
Kung ampan ina transfer sa ilong na aum lay takpan na isip sama profession of faith to sang hiang.
And then later, when you get to be a full church, then we will just transfer the membership into the new church.
Tu khit jiang full por pi jing nong pian u jiang company pa na por pi jing member his jiao.
Okay. Any other questions?
Adang om hiya dot na. Walang. Om hiya.
Company ding lang ben ai tiếng vài của mình.
มันขาดเลย
What would be the responsibility to become a company? What would be the responsibility, like doing things and building up that, just apart from the requirement?
Well, of course, the requirements are lower for being a company. It's not as many members, it's not as much tithe, it's not as, but then as you want to go to the next step, then the responsibility is that you increase. You increase your membership, you increase your income, and that are you understanding you need to, he understands English, yeah. Okay, so you need, what you need to do is to demonstrate that you are able to be a church and to take care of yourself.
Chinum na to as company pian lel pen by so makhat jong tom to kingalal mi tom to jong kingalal tu ki chiang a pen por pi jing pian jodong nang tom no chik atam jodong ki sam chi lo.
See, right now you're meeting in the First Tulsa Church.
Tu lai tak pen no first to church of ki khom.
And I assume they pay the light bill, they give you a place to worship.
Ka ngai sun na pen mei te ong piao win as mun te free ang jang sa bu.
So if you're going to be a church on your own, then you need to be able to provide all those things.
Por pi jing nong pian no chang ina tu te pen no le no na dinu aku.
And so the conference executive committee is going to ask me, can they do this?
Conference executive committee na tu te nga sem jong ta mu hiam chiam dong ing.
And if I say, yes, here's the proof that they can do that, then you can become a church.
Tu ki chiang ken nangu thule la teng enin o ki ching mai